Hey lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. If you're already part of this family, thank you so much for always coming back. Today I share with you how I make this delicious Ghana party chips recipe. This recipe was rich, flavorful, and easy to prepare with just some few ingredients. Without wasting time, let's go and prepare it. In a bowl, I'll go in with my flour. So I'm using soft flour for this recipe. I then went ahead to add some salt, baking powder. So now what I'm doing is I'm grating my nutmeg for this. So I'm going to leave the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. So after grating, I'll make sure to mix everything until they are well combined. Okay, so after mixing, I'll go ahead and then add my margarine. If you have butter, you can also use it. I'll then go ahead and mix everything together. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, hello, I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel. We make easy recipes here on this channel. If you like what you are seeing and like my content, please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video, and also like and share this video. Now I'll go in with my blended garlic and ginger. So I'll mix everything together until a dough is formed. While this is going on, I just want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers and new subscribers right here. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, sharing, commenting, and also liking my video. I truly appreciate it a lot, and God bless you all for always doing that. Alright fam, so now our dough is beautifully formed. Just look at the texture. It's not too stiff or too soft. It's just perfect. So I'll just go ahead, divide it into 3 parts, and then let it rest for some few minutes before rolling. So this is after 10 minutes. I'll go ahead on my work surface, then spread some flour, then take 1 part of my dough and then roll it until it becomes flat. And with the rolling tool, the more you roll the dough to be flat, the crunchier your chips become. So the flatness depends on you and how you want your chips to be. Okay, so I've rolled the dough and this is the thickness that I'm going for. This is how I want it. Now I'll go ahead and then cut the rolled dough into my preferred size and shape. So now I'll just use my cutter to cut it into the shape that I want. You can use scissors for this, or even use your knife to do the cutting. And you can cut this into any desirable size that you prefer, whether you want a flat, any shape is just perfect for this recipe. So let me still remind you, subscribing is free. You don't have to pay any amount. Moving forward, after cutting some of the dough, here is it now. And I went ahead to sprinkle some flour just to prevent it from sticking together. Okay fam, so after cutting everything, here we have it now, and you can see all the sizes are perfect. So I went ahead to heat up my oil, and I just dropped a little to see how hot the oil was, and it was hot, so I went in with some of the cut dough. So now I'm just stirring it. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. They are very detailed short and you will love it. The name is Getty Cooks. After stirring, guys, at this point the first batch is ready, and the aroma smells so amazing. You will love it. So I'll just take this from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel. Then after that, I will continue with the frying of the second batch. Are you still watching me up to this time? If you are, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you guys so much. So now the second batch is also ready, and I'll just take it off from the oil. Okay, my lovely family, so here is our Ghana party chips, all done and ready to be served. The outcome was so lovely and I really love it. With just a few ingredients, you can make this. I hope you give this recipe a try, and let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till I come your way again, see you in my next upload. Bye.